first step of the process is to eat an Oreo.
So first you're gonna open your Oreo.
And take out the cream.
Add your Oreos to a food processor.
And pulse.
Once it comes to a nice sand texture,
Add your milk. And pulse. Once you've added all your milk, it should turn into like a nice dough. Working hard all day. And something after that. That we able to get you clean our Santa's elves. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
pour your dough onto some plastic wrap.
Form it into a ball.
Put some plastic wrap over it. Roll it until it's nice and thin.
Take off your plastic wrap.
Cut into a rectangle. Now you can just eat these scraps. We don't need it anymore.
Back to the filling.
To your filling, you're gonna add your
Milk. Give it a quick mix.
This is what it should look like. Put your cream onto the dough.
Spread it out among the dough. Okay, yeah, we're struggling to stop it, but we'll be fine.
Now we're gonna start rolling it up using the plastic wrap as a guide.
Refrigerate.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, videos every single Saturday.